Meet Sarah, a nutritionist with years of expertise, battling against the barrage of misinformation about the keto diet. She begins refuting a towering myth: keto is a fad diet. Armed with comprehensive research and a board full of graphs, she emphasizes keto is much more than a weight loss plan. It's a lifestyle that could lead to reduced blood sugar and insulin levels. An unexpected true story unfolds on the screen. Tom, a 40-year-old diabetic man whose life took a positive turn with keto, resulting in controlled diabetes and remarkable weight loss. Transitioning to the next myth: keto could harm your organs. Sarah's well-researched response explains how a problematic reaction to keto is more the exception than the rule, pointing out studies showing improvements in heart health markers. The camera pans to Jane, another keto follower, recounting her journey towards lowered blood pressure. Meet Lisa. She's full of life, loves her job, but has been fighting with her weight for years. Struggling with cravings, low energy, and extra pounds, she decides to test the trending keto diet. Subscribe as she takes on a 30-day keto chart challenge, not knowing life is going to pivot just in a month. We will accompany Lisa on her journey, where each day is a step towards a healthier, happier her. We don't skip a beat. From the perfectly portioned breakfasts to the fresh, vibrant dinners, it's all about consuming quality over quantity. Watch as Lisa prepares her high-fat, low-carb meals, with every plate showcasing beautiful, nutrient-packed creations that make this diet a feast in itself. And the transformation speaks for itself. Her energy surges, the scale dips, and those hard-to-beat cravings, they magically vanish. Find out how the keto diet could bring